Hello everyone, how are you doing? It is Andrea. Well, for some reason I can't find the clip to my portable handheld tripod. I had it not too long ago, maybe this morning, but if I had put it where it belongs, I would find it. But it's kind of eerie out. I'm outside and it's twilight. And as you can see here, let me show you the sky. It's a little bit light over here, but I truly believe a storm is approaching. But all in all, it's okay. But I have to be a little bit mindful and cautious because this is when the wildlife comes out. We're talking bears, foxes, coyotes, at one point, bobcats, snakes, you name it. But anyways, how are you doing today? The birds are here. I'm sure I will get notification from the wildlife should there be anything brewing, but all in all, it's good. You learned and realized not only is it not so much of a thing of being organized, but you walk into a room and you forget what you were going in there for. Or if you are like me, anytime I get so excited and passionate, but the slightest interruption, I forget what I'm talking about in mid-sentence. I've done that a few times. Most of you can testify. But all in all, it's all about taking your time. It's organization. It's keeping time management, keeping abreast of what you're doing, the process, and making it functional and fun for you. Again, just be mindful because it is silent. You can hear. And I just want to be mindful of all the wildlife because up here in the mountains in the Northeast where I live, there are no street lights. So it's pitch black. And if you're lucky enough, you may have a neighbor or someone down the street that may have their censored light on, and that's the only light aside from the moonlight that shines upon on a clear night. But yes, so let's slow down our pace. Let's really embrace the moment, be in the moment, and take time. We don't have to do everything in a rushed manner. However, certain things have timelines, deadlines, and due dates. But other things, when it comes to our mind, we must learn how to process, assess, relax, and embrace the moment. So if there's anything that you learn from for today's video, is to take your time, plan it out ahead of time. Make sure the proper items are in categories. The proper items are accessible, functional. And if they are items of fun, they are all in categories. If they're functional items, they're in arm's length of what their function is. And if it's a treasure, then you display it neatly and occasionally brightly so everyone can enjoy and see. Again, as you can see, the sky is changing and you hear a little rustling. So to learn further information, if you want to learn how to upgrade and enhance your mind, get organized, have function, fun, and making your life simple. That's what it's about. It's back to the basics, keeping it simple and keeping yourself accountable and having time and organization skills. Let me know. Connect with me. For my name is Andrea Mason, your personal accountability coach, your global voice under the mentorship of the legendary Dr. Les Brown, coming to you, as you can see, as twilight is approaching, the sun is setting, and the darkness is arising. Connect with me. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Check out Andrea Mason's for events, upcoming projects, and offerings and opportunities that are available to you. And don't forget, at the end of this video, to go to my website and redeem your free gift. And I'll see you there. Remember to always follow your heart and not the herd nor the hurt, for on the other side is success and happiness. And in every single day, you have a choice, a right, and the ability and freedom to press play. Plan life according to you. Be safe and be well.